a short demonstration of the use of the RollingSharp cutter. The first thing to remember is you need a really hard surface to work on. That's the principle of the use of the cutter. And the second thing to remember is that you have to hold the cutter vertically in order to cut the cloth, the paper, or any other material properly. We can start off by cutting organza material. This is a very thin material, and the advantage is that you can achieve a very, very clear cut. You can cut a straight line or a line which is a wave. As you can see, the cut is very neat, something that you cannot achieve, for example, with scissors. The second type of material that we're going to show you is cotton. For example, this type of cotton sheet that you can cut up in both in straight lines, and you can also cut out shape, like for example the little lemons here. So now we can cut a straight line, or we can cut out a shape. Some of the shapes you can cut out are shapes that would be virtually impossible to cut out with scissors. And there are other kinds of cottons or cotton cloths that are thicker. Here you can cut up a part of a cotton shirt. Again, the technique may require a little bit of practice, but on the whole it's not difficult to master. Even thicker pieces of cotton, such as this shirt sleeve, other types of material you can use when you want to cut them up is, for example, felt. So, with plastic, polyester, PVC sheets, the idea is tip of the cutter must be in a position to cut the pad, and that determines the thickness of the material that we can use. In this particular case, the material seems fairly thick, but you can press it because it's soft, and therefore the cutter is able to cut through. Thin plastic sheets or polymeric sheets used for packaging foodstuffs, for example coffee, are also suitable materials to be cut with a cutter. Working with paper, of course, there are numerous possibilities to cut out shapes, pictures, articles for patchwork, and be extremely creative